Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make an Indian style dry pork roast recipe using pickling or achari spices. Here I have 1.5 kgs of boneless pork leg meat chopped into chunks with some of the fat left on it. The spices for this recipe are 1 tablespoon each of coriander seeds, fennel seeds, cumin seeds and black mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon each of turmeric powder and red chili powder. 7 to 8 cloves of garlic and some juliennes of ginger. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. And some malt vinegar. Let's grind the whole spices up. We need a coarse grind, not too fine a grind. That's the ground spices. In a heavy cast iron pot, heat some oil. Then add the ginger and garlic into the pot and give them a stir. Fry for 30 seconds. Then add the meat into the pot. Fry the meat for 2 minutes, stirring occasionally, and you will see that the meat will start to leave its moisture. Keep on cooking until the moisture totally evaporates. You can see that the meat has dried out. Now fry the meat in the oil and its own juices till it starts to brown a bit. Then add the turmeric and chili powder into the pot and fry for 2 minutes and blend the spices into the meat. Now it's time to add the ground spices into the pot. Mix them in. Add half a cup of water into the pot to deglaze the pot and to scrape off the spices on the sides and the bottom of the pot. This adds real flavor to any recipe, believe me. Add salt according to your taste, followed by a pint of meat stock. Give the pot a good stir, scraping of the sides and the bottom of the pot. Bring the pot to a boil. Cover it with a lid and cook on low flame for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take the lid off. Give the pot a stir to check if the meat is cooked. And it is. Add the chili flakes to the pot, followed by 2 tablespoons of malt vinegar. Give the pot a stir and fry for a minute. Here I have some palm sugar or palm jaggery that I am going to add to the pot to give the dish some sweetness. Mix it in. Cover the pot for 2 minutes to help the palm sugar dissolve. Give the pot a stir to mix everything well. You can dry out the gravy more if you wish and make it totally dry. As you can see, the gravy is coming off the sides and our dish is ready. Let's plate up our delicious pickled pork dish. Garnish with some coriander or spring onions if you so wish. This dry pickled pork recipe has a hot, sweet and sour taste and can be kept in the fridge for some time. It is delicious on its own, particularly with beer, or you can serve it with rice and chappatis. Subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!